This is an Operation Christmas Child for a boy age 5 to 9. Look at this beautiful wrapping paper of horses running in the snow. Let's see what's inside. Okay. So in here we have a notebook, 3 pairs of socks, because I had extra and so I hope that he needs socks. A washcloth, these cool bouncy balls that actually light up when you throw them, a truck with some pigs in the back, and this is a car that rolls forward when you pull it back. We have a beautiful Breyer horse to match the wrapping paper, kid-sized scissors, a little Lego kit. I know I actually really like to play with Legos when I was in that age range. A bar of soap, a yo-yo, a purple pickup truck, 2 combs, a pencil sharpener, a harmonica, kid-sized toothbrush, pens and pencils, crayons, 2 sheets of stickers, and a bunch of colored paper. So that is everything that is in this box. If you did, give this video a like and subscribe to see more of what I'm packing this year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!